Hi, and welcome back to our channel. So this morning I'm going to be taking us very brief on something very special for every student, whether you're an undergraduate or postgraduate student. This is very important. You know what? In your work, referencing is as important as anything. Although it's at the last page, but remember the list of references you're giving us towards the ending part of your work, it's more like a summation of all the citations you've done in the main work. So everything you cited in the main work will reflect in the references. And then today I'm going to be taking you on a very easy way to get it right. Okay, so there are different referencing styles, but if you're not meticulous enough, you're going to miss out. So today I'm going to be helping you so that whether you're a very meticulous person or not, you will still get your referencing intact. Okay, now I want you to also know, before we get into the system, that whatever style you're using, if you're in school, definitely your school or your department will have a particular referencing style they follow. For most schools in Africa, they go for have APA referencing style. Now, whether you're using APA, and then there are different versions of APA, you have APA 6, you have APA 7, depending on the year. So whether you're using APA 6, APA 7, or whatever year you are using, no, there's no problem about it, or you're even using Harvard referencing style, no problem. So I'm going to be taking you on a very easy way. This tool it's online, it's easily accessible. You don't need to pay to get it. So all you just need to do is just to copy and paste into it, and it will just give you that particular style, and then you put it in your list of references, and then at the end of the day you have a uniformed work and you will not miss out on anything. Okay, so join me as we get into the system. But before that, let me even ask, have you subscribed? Have you liked our page? You need to like our page so that YouTube will be able to recommend to other young people, other students that are doing their programs, so that they would also benefit the same way you are benefiting. So just go right away and like our page. And then if you have questions at the end of the section where I'm going to show you how to go about it on the system, then do well to ask. So let's get down. So here we are, and this is free APA Citation Generator. You can also move onward to Harvard. Now you can see you have APA 6 here. I click on APA 6, you have APA 7, you have Chicago, and then you have Harvard Australia, you have MLA, Simply Modern Language Association 8, and then 9. So you can place the website, the website link here, or if it's a book that you're interested in citing, so you click on book. If you're interested in citing a journal, you click on journal, video, fine, and then more. Now enter or paste a web address to cite, URL to PDF are supported. So if I click on more now, I'm going to see quite a lot of things. If you want to cite an artwork, blog post, book chapter, book review, Lego case, song, speech, legislation, magazine article, map, whatever you want to cite. So you can choose any of this. Now, if you want to cite, let's say you want to cite a journal, so let's go to journal. So you're requested to place your DOI, the DOI of that particular publication, that research publication. So you place the DOI, or if you don't have access to the DOI, you can also enter it manually, but this is going to take quite some time. So let me just click on it so we'll see how it looks like. So here you begin to enter the article author, the first name, the last name, the first name of the editor, the last name. That's quite a lot of time. Date published, title of article, name of journal, volume number, issue number, range number, database. Now basically this is to help the system to generate what you're talking about, the article you're talking about. So when you are done filling all this, you can now click on generate, but that's quite a lot of time for us, so we're not going to do that. So we go back to where we came from. So I'm going to pick like some DOIs of some journals and then place here. You can do that for books too, and then you place what is requested of you, let's say the URL. So for the journal, let me open up some articles. This is modeling the influence of meteorological variables on runoff in a tropical watershed. So here is the DOI. So I just copy the DOI, or okay, copy. Now I get back to where I came from, and then I paste the DOI. So you're going to choose the particular referencing style you're interested in. Remember I said whatever is your interest or whatever is requested of you depending on your institution or the journal where you're publishing your work, they would have to specify the kind of referencing style that is required of you. So if it's APA 6, then you click on 6. If it's 7, and then if it's Harvard style, you click on that, and Chicago, you click on that. So now I've pasted my DOI, and then I need my referencing to appear in Harvard style. This is APA 7. Sorry, I need it in APA style, and this is APA 7. APA 7 is a more recent version compared to APA 6. So I click on search. So it's now you can see it has done that. So I will now carry this and take it to my main work. You can see. So here is it. Tada! Here is your journal article in APA 7 style. So you can see Ekweme BN and Agwamba JC. So this is APA 7 style. So in this case, you're not going to miss anything. So I just copy to clipboard. I just copy to clipboard and then copy. And then I will now open up a Word document. You can see I place this here. That's the format. Okay, let me just remove this. That's the format for APA 7. So that's the way it's going to look like. And then I will now go back and then pick another one and place as well. So we see how it looks like. So we go back here and then we pick another DOI here. Okay. So here I pick the DOI from here, copy, and then I take it back to the referencing style here, and I click here and paste it. So I click on search. Okay, here the work is done. So here you have Ifedibu Onyabo. So here I now copy to clipboard. I copy, then it's copied. So I go back to my Word page and paste it as well. So okay, you can see the uniformity. What you have here is exactly what you have here as well. So you can see everything follows the same pattern. So that's the very good thing about this particular app. I saw it and I decided to share with all of my students or every other student that is doing one or two programs out there. So this is going to help you. So you will not make mistake whether you need to put the page numbering P dot or whether you need to put the volume or whatever. So once you just ask what is the referencing style, what referencing style is required of you. If it's APA 7, so you just use this. If it's Harvard, you just use this and it will be maintained. Okay, now let me even look at this way. Let me click on Harvard format. So let's see how it looks like. So here is Harvard. Okay, click on Harvard and then search. So I click on search and here, so this is upper service. So let me click on Harvard. So I click on search again. It's going to give it to me in Harvard format. So here, this is Harvard format. So I copy this and it's copied and then I get back to my page on Word documents and then paste it. You can see the difference. You can see the difference between the upper 7 format and that of Harvard. Okay, you can see this kind of indexing. You have a space after you've mentioned the names of the authors, but in this case, it's not like that. So once you just know your referencing style, just keep to it and use this particular app and get it done. So I want to believe that something has been added to your research content and what you know about how to go about your referencing style. Okay, so if there are any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm going to put down the link to this very application that I just used now here on my description button, so that you can use it further in your own work. So that's all I have for you today. I want to believe you enjoyed our very short video. So thank you.